Now he starts telling what exactly happens in the deep sleep in the Ananda, Brahmananda. Bhutotpattehe pura bhuma triputi dvaitavarjanat jnatru jnana jneya rupa triputi pralayehino. See? Bhutotpattehe pura, before the creation of this world, all the Pancha Mahabhutas, Pancha Koshas, Pancha Jnanendriya, all the whole world, before creation, Bhuma, the Paramatma was infinite. See? Bhuma, and there Triputi Dvaita Varjanat. There is no Triputi. The three factors. Which are those three factors? Jnatru, Jnana, Jneya Rupa Triputi. The Jnatru, the knower, Jnana, the knowledge, and Jneya, the known. So, in the deep sleep or in the Ananda or before the creation, Bhutotpattehe Pura, this Triputi was not there. Like in the waking, there is a waker, waking experience and the waking world. In the dream, there is dreamer, dream experience and the dream world. In the same manner, in the deep sleep, there is not a deep sleeper and the deep sleep experience and the deep sleep world. No. Be very attentive. Absence is not an object. Like this object is on my hand, and when this object is removed, then what is on my hand? He will say, there is no object on your hand. So, this object is recognized by us in the form of is and is not. Therefore, that experience, which is conditioned by the Triputi, has a possibility of is and is not. But in that experience where there is no Triputi, then the question comes, absence of what? Because absence is not an object. See, friends, but that which even supports the absence is beyond presence and absence. And therefore, in the deep sleep, in the Brahmananda, there is no Triputi. And therefore, after the deep sleep is over, there is no tiredness. Because there was nobody sleeping. See? It was not the waker who was sleeping. He was not there. It was not the dreamer who was sleeping. So it is an experience of absolute absence. Now the question comes, absence of what? Absence of the Triputi. See? Therefore, Bhutotpattehe Pura Bhuma, the infinite reality before the creation, Triputi Dvaita Varjanat. Therefore, in the deep sleep, there is no Triputi nor no knowledge. Therefore, there is no struggle, there is no achievement, there is no failure. And again, Jnatru Jneya Jneya Rupa Triputi Pralaye Hino. So again from the waking and the dream, when again one goes back to the deep sleep, Anandamaya, then again the Triputi disappears. See? Like when the waves come from the ocean, those waves can be imagined like the waking and the dream. From the ocean, the waves of waking and the dream come. And there is a struggle, fighting, achievement, failure. And again, sometime they go back to the same ocean. Be attentive. The wave which has gone back to the ocean, is it the same wave is coming out again? No. If this is clear, same way, one wave of dream comes out, and a Triputi of the dreamer dreamt and dream experience is born, and then the dream is over, means the dream wave goes back to the Ananda wave. Then another wave comes, the waking. The waker, waking world and waking experience. After some time, this also goes back. Now again the dream wave comes. Now should we say that it was the same dream which was yesterday with the same dreamer, or for every dream there is a separate dreamer? Exactly, my dear friends, 100% the same way. Every waking experience is experienced by a new, fresh waker, and he has no relationship whatsoever with the waker of yesterday. But what happens? Like the garland is prepared out of flowers. Those flowers are randomly picked up, they have no relationship. But because of the thread common, then it appears as if they are related to each other. And a beautiful garland appears. But when you cut the thread and remove it, where the garland has gone? Nowhere, because it was nowhere. Exactly the same way. I was born, I did this thing, I did this thing, I went here, I went there, and in and through there is a thread of consciousness. Remove the thread of consciousness, where all those fellows have gone. So if we want to really practice knowledge, this must be the foundation. Don't talk about your past. Don't ask anybody about their past. No need.